How to record audio in WavePad. First of all, open the WavePad Audio Editor on your computer. Next, make sure your microphone is connected and properly set up. Then, click on the record button located on the toolbar at the top of the WavePad window. A new recording window will open. Before starting, check your input device and adjust the recording volume if needed. When you are ready, click the record button in the recording window or press F5 on your keyboard to start capturing audio. Speak or play the sound you want to record clearly into your microphone. Once you finish recording, click the stop button at the bottom left, or you can simply press the escape key on your keyboard. Your recorded audio will now appear in the WavePad editor, where you can listen, trim, edit or apply effects as you like. And that's it. Now you know how to record audio in WavePad. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.